In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Zoho Books with Zoho Inventory in just 5 minutes, making your business operations seamless. First, log into Zoho Books and navigate to the dashboard. From there, head over to Settings and click on the Zoho Apps section. Look for Try Now under the Zoho Inventory integration option to start connecting the two apps. Next, switch over to Zoho Inventory and go to the homepage. Click Join to link your Zoho Inventory account with Zoho Books. This creates a direct line between your financial data and inventory management. Once integrated, changes in one system, like a sale in Zoho Books or a stock adjustment in Zoho Inventory, sync automatically across both platforms. This saves you time, reduces errors, and keeps your operations running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoho Books with Zoho Inventory. Explore settings to customize workflows and permissions and enjoy streamlined business management.